Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am coming to you with an unboxing of my LookFantastic box and my Glossybox. Unfortunately my Birchbox did not come yet, but when it does I will unbox it on my Instagram, and I have my handles somewhere here, so if you want to check it out, please do follow me on my Instagram. But yeah, without further ado, if you're interested in what I got in my boxes, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start with my LookFantastic box because look at this, it didn't come in a box, it came in a makeup bag, and I am so excited. When I first saw it I was like, I like this. This could be my, you know, travel bag when I can travel again. Don't know when that's gonna happen, but sure, we can dream, right? Okay, opening that up, we can see all these products. Okay, first thing, this is the Josh Wood Color Everything Mask. It is a color locking, multitasking, deep conditioning treatment for every hair color. I'm a blondie, so you know, these kinds of treatment masks are always welcome. Love that little thing. Next up is the Ultra Sun what is going on? Is the Ultra Sun Lip Protection and Care SPF 30 lip balm. Now I have 10 million lip balms. I cannot stress that enough. I have 10 million lip balms. I don't need another lip balm.Moving on is the Polar Sun Lotion Very High Protection. Okay, so it's a what is this called? SPF. Jesus Christ. Wow, that took a lot for me to figure that out. Basically, it's an SPF for your body and it's a factor 50, which is great. Unfortunately, here in Ireland, we don't have that many sunny days, but apparently SPF is very important. I'm guilty of not putting my SPF on every day. I do when it's very sunny, but I don't when, you know, it's when it's fucking lash and rain. But yeah, this will definitely come in handy because we tend to get very high temperatures here in Ireland when it's a heat wave, and it's a very strong kind of, you know, sun heat that comes onto you. So this is definitely going to be used. Next up is this Molten Brown Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Bath and Shower Gel. We received one of these not too long ago. I used it up, it was nice. Let's actually give it a sniff. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. It's a very kind of marine sort of scent, like oceany scent, and it takes me somewhere on vacation, which again, not gonna happen. Moving on is a hairbrush, and this hairbrush is from Glove. So it is one of those Tangle Teaser type of hairbrushes. These are great actually for traveling because they do not take a lot of space. And they are very effective at what they do. You know, they brush out my hair and it works very well. I really like it. And the last little thing is a sheet mask, and this one is the Shankpri. That's the brand. It is the Aroma Blend Calming Mask. So this is what it looks like. It is infused with neroli and professionally blended aroma oils. This relaxing mask calms and soothes your skin, revealing healthier and softer skin. Very interesting. Love that. So yeah, that is it for my LookFantastic box. It is very skincare heavy. There's not one makeup product because you can't count a lip balm as makeup. However, I love this bag. I am going to use it. That's it. Oh, by the way, we didn't receive a card apparently because Corona. They're not gonna have physical cards anymore, like these magazines where you know you get all the product information. They were supposed to send us a QR code with all of the information, but they haven't done that yet as of now, so I can't tell you what the sneak peek for next month is, unfortunately. But swiftly moving along to Glossybox. Glossybox. First thing that I see is this thing, and this is the Vintage Cosmetics Makeup Remover Cloths. Last month we received one of those in a Look Fantastic box, and this one we got one in Glossybox, and it's zebra pattern. I really actually love this, again, for travel. For traveling, because all you need is water with these to remove your makeup. You don't need any type of cleanser, you don't need wipes, you don't need anything like that. All you need is water, and they remove your makeup flawlessly. I like them, especially for traveling. Next up is this Beautinique Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels, and these are supposed to brighten, hydrate and depuff. And the ingredients, hero ingredients, are cucumber, rose extract, green tea and hyaluronic acid. And it's not over. They are ideal for tired and overworked eyes, jet lag, and pre-party prep. So this is what they look like. Super cool. I really like the packaging. I wonder how good they are. I think I might try them today. We'll see. Next up is this Metalco, because it's a liquid metal eyeshadow, but the brand is Metalco. And this is what it looks like. So it's a beautiful, beautiful rose gold kind of shade. Let me just, well, is it rose gold? It's more coppery, honestly. So this is what, yeah, definitely copper. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of transparent on the first swipe. You do have to kind of build it up, but then I wonder if you build it up, is it going to kind of ball up in itself or not? I don't know. I don't know if this is something that I would use. I mean, I'll keep it in for a couple of months and see if I use it. Maybe I'll roll it in to my stash, or maybe it's gonna be rolled in into my pan those eyeshadows when I hit pan on one of my eyeshadows, which I think is very, very soon. But yeah, meh. Next up is this LA Splash eyeshadow brush set, and we got 2 brushes. We got a lovely angled, very thin kind of eyeshadow brush, which, oh, this looks amazing, especially for my thin little eyebrows. Ooh, I am excited for that one. And then we have a kind of fluffy shader brush, which is quite large, which I think would also work well with, you know, putting like shimmery eyeshadows on your lid. I really, really enjoyed that. Love it. Boom, into my collection. And the last thing, which is the most exciting thing, is a Huda Beauty product. This is the Huda Beauty Life Liner in the shade Berry Fanta. Basically, it is extreme black. This is a duo eyeliner, pencil and liquid. So on one side we have a black eyeliner. I'm not going to swatch it. I'm not going to use it until I finish my other black eyeliners. And on the other side we have a liquid liner with a brush tip applicator. In my empties, or you will see that I am throwing away my my liquid eyeliner because it started to go bad, and I mentioned there that I absolutely love brush tip applicators because I have hooded eyes and they just make it so much easier to draw a very thin line. And thankfully this Huda Beauty one is a brush tip applicator as well. I used this eyeliner today and apparently it's super waterproof, which we'll see about that. I have very, very watery eyes, so we'll see if it does the job. But it is super black, and you can create really thin strokes or very thick strokes if you want. But like I said, it's a brush tip applicator, which is perfection for me. This is super exciting. I love it, love it, love it. Huh. Let me come back in a few minutes, right? And I'm going to try to get this off with my micellar water, and we'll see if it really is super waterproof, okay? Talk to you in literally a second. Okay, it's been like 2 minutes maybe. This has fully dried. Will not move with a dry hand. So, micellar water, cotton pad, and let's load that up and see. Let's see. Okay. Oh fuck. Okay, it's coming off, but look at that. Barely. You would have to be there and fucking like really scrub at your hand for the eyeliner to come off, which I think is great, especially for someone with watery eyes. I think this is amazing. Wow, okay, I'm impressed. And after all of this scrubbing, it's still there. Interesting. Okay, I wonder how it's going to work with water and cleanser. We'll see. We will see. But yeah, that's just proved it there to you, that very waterproof and very long lasting. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.